Hi everyone! Ready to marvel at these jaw-dropping moments of incredible lightning strikes caught on camera? Giant lightning bolts ripped through the sky, delivering shocking strikes all captured in real time. These one-in-a-billion natural spectacles will leave you in sheer awe. Why wait any longer? Let's dive in. A staff member at the Weybridge Logistics Center recorded a moment he would never forget. Oh my, what a pitiful scene. 43 sheep and goats lost their lives, while 10 others suffered serious injuries. Miraculously, the driver and 2 shepherds narrowly escaped the clutches of death. They had only just left the spot a few minutes before nature unleashed its fury. Every corner into her stage, and the little road in Hampton, Virginia is no exception. Another lightning strike on a phone booth was caught on July 14th by a nearby resident's home camera. I'm sure this woman must have summoned all her courage to capture the full scene of this breathtakingly marvelous moment of nature. Fortunately, according to the 2 people who directly experienced the incident, there were no injuries or casualties.
É, chuva caiu, a academia fechou, tá nós aqui, ó.
Home is always a safe haven, but it seems Mother Nature has turned the tables in the most unexpected twist. The moment of lightning striking a house roof was captured by the CCTV of the Tolvadon Community Fire Station on the afternoon of September 5th. Luckily, the rescue team arrived in time to handle the incident. According to the report, no injuries were recorded. occurred in Mooresville, North Carolina. A powerful lightning bolt suddenly struck a parked car. This moment was shared by JR Motorsports on Twitter through a video. The lightning strike turned on the car's headlights and sent sparks across the fence. According to JR Motorsports, although there were no significant damage, the car couldn't start again after the incident. Incredible! Flawlessly sharp and radiant lines just appeared in the sky over Belgrade. The video was posted by Don Robinson when a thunderstorm hit the area on the evening of Saturday, April 15th. The lightning strike this time landed on one of the most luxurious and towering buildings in the capital of Serbia. Does this image remind you of a scene from any science fiction movie? Share with us in the comment section below.